Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're making this beautiful wall mirror. What we're using is embroidery hoop, a cake board, and it doesn't have to be gold and it has to be the same size as the embroidery hoop. Yeah, and we're also using a round mirror which has to be smaller than the cake board. We're also using skewers, heavy manila paper, and adhesives, which are glue gun, silicone glue, and it's the clear one. Then we have staple gun. So yeah, let's get right into it. So we are going to join the cake board to the embroidery hoop, and we're using a glue gun. So make sure when you do this, you put on some pressure so that they join seamlessly. So this part is optional. I had to do it because my mirror is a little bit heavier and I wanted it to be strong enough to be able to carry it. So if you like this kind of content, please leave a comment. Let me know what you think about it. So I love how it turned out. I'll use it as the frame for my mirror and it's strong enough to hold it. So at this point I start using my skewers. I'll be sticking them all around the frame. Do not mind the line that I had drawn there to guide me because I didn't even have to use it. So the design of the cake board really guided me on to where to place the skewers. So at this point I was satisfied with the outcome. It looks amazing. So for the back part we're using the manila paper. We cut a circular shape that will be able to cover the back, and we're going to include the thread that we'll be mounting the mirror with. So we'll stick it in there and cover it with the manila paper. So at this point we're going to make the design for our mirror with this PVC rope, and this is where you get creative. You can make any design or any shape you would like. I love flowers, so I had to do a flower one. silicone, then I went ahead and spray painted it black, and I love the outcome. So now we're going to stick our mirror with the silicone glue and the hot glue gun. The hot glue gun will enable it to hold faster before the silicone glue dries up. You put on your mirror, ensure you put on some pressure so that it holds firmly. So I really love the results. It came out great, and I decided to change it to gold, and it also looked amazing. So you can do it in any color of your choice and it will still look great. So thank you for watching.